Thanks, guys. No fooling around here on April Fool's Day in the Daily Iowan TV Sports Studio. Lots to get to on the diamond today, so let's get right to it. A pair of Hawkeyes swept Big Ten Pitcher of the Week in both baseball and softball to finish off March. Kayla Massey won the honor this week for the first time since her sophomore season. The California native raked up 2 complete games with a 1.0 ERA and 13 strikeouts this past weekend in the Hawks' second consecutive series win against Wisconsin. Over at Dwayne Bakes, a Hawkeye pitcher picking up his first Big Ten honor of his career, I break down who he is and how he did it. The Iowa baseball team may lead in nearly every offensive category in the Big Ten, but there's one category the Heller squad has sank to the bottom of, and that's pitching. The Hawks' earned run average is a 4.44, a spot that lands them in the third highest in the Big Ten. Indiana, the team with arguably the strongest arms right now, is throwing at a 2.67 ERA. But sophomore Calvin Matthews proves to be a bright spot on the mound in an otherwise dull position for the Hawks. He was dubbed 2 awards Big Ten Player of the Week and Big Ten Pitcher of the Week for his first complete career game on March 28th, where he opened the series against Michigan with a W. The last time an Iowa pitcher was named Pitcher of the Week was Sasha Kubel back on May 21st, 2012. Against the Wolverines, Matthews scattered 6 hits, struck out a career-tying 9 against 0 walks. Matthews providing a much-needed boost for the Hawks with a 3-1 record and a 1.91 ERA, only allowing 13 runs in 47 innings. The sophomore currently leads the Big Ten with 41 strikeouts. Jalen Socek, Daily Iowan TV Sports. Hawkeyes have 6 games in the next 8 days, starting with a trip to Bradley tomorrow. Here on set is our own baseball beat reporter, Ryan Rodriguez. And Ryan, the Hawks lost big time to Bradley last time these two teams played. What are the keys to turning around in Peoria?
Well, I think the big thing is they got to get some more offense. They really got to get the bats going. They only struggled to produce about a half dozen hits last time they played Bradley. Obviously, not many teams can win when you only have 6 hits. So their pitching was good, but they just got no run support. So that's obviously going to be something that Coach Heller and the guys try to work on for this game.
Okay, and a big weekend series against reigning Big Ten champions Indiana this weekend in Iowa City. What's the key to this series if Iowa wants to keep climbing the standings?
Well, Indiana is probably the toughest team in the Big Ten. They're the odds-on favorite to win it all again this year. And they can come at you from all angles. They got great pitching, and they can really smack the ball. So Iowa's really got to be on top of their game. Their pitching's got to be good, and they've got to get confident at the plate, and they've got to pick their pitches, and they've really got to try to make solid contact with the ball and drive in some runs if they want a shot to win.
Okay. Once again, thank you, Ryan. That's all we have for you today. Tune in tomorrow for some pigskin pressers and open practice. Back to you at the desk.